Hello everyone, welcome back with new video on Java programming. In this video, we are going to see what are the types of conditional statements in Java. Let's see how many types of conditional statements in Java. First one is if statement. Second, if else statement. Then if else if ladder. Then nested if else fifth switch statement. In this video, we will see first one is if statement. What is meant by if statement? The if statement is used to execute a block of code only if the given condition is true. Here we have given the syntax. Let's see with the example. For that, create one project, that is conditional statement. Click on finish. Expand the project. Right click on source folder and create one Java class. Name it as if statement. Click on finish. As I explained, if statement is a statement which executes a block of code only when the condition is true. Here, declaring one main method. In that, we'll see one example related to number greater than or using the comparison operator. That is, declaring one integer variable. Then, let's start the if block. That is, if in angular brackets we will write our condition, that is, अब मैं ऐसी कंडीशन लिखूंगी जहां पर when the number is greater than 3 or equals to 3, then execute the block of code. Condition is variable is greater than 10, give the 2. So then if the variable is greater than 2, the condition is true, then execute the block of code, that is variable plus plus. This is the increment operator we already seen in the type of operator. Then print the variable value, that is updated value, variable var. Then print the var. Save the class and then run the project. Right click on project, run as Java application. Here you can see the variable value is 4 because our initial value is 3, and now after checking condition it becomes true, and then it execute the code if block, that is var. We have added 1 in the initial value, so value becomes 4 and printing the value, that value is 4. Then we'll check when the condition is false. Here we just change the condition, that is var is greater than 3. I'm running the program again. Here you can see our console is empty. Why? Our condition is false, so it doesn't execute the block of code. That is greater than 3 means 4, or greater than 4, that is 4, 5, etc. Then we can also write as greater than equals to, then it will execute the block cause it is equals to 3. Here you can see the variable var is equals to 4 cause we just change the condition, that is greater than equals to. Here in this condition we can check the many conditions like greater than, equals to, not equals to, then true, false. There are many conditions we can check in the if block. But if the condition is false, then we needed to write the next block for that. That is, we have the next statement, that is if else statement. In this statement, as we see in the if statement, we only check one condition and if true, then we execute the block. But what happens when the condition is false? As we see, when condition get false, the console is empty, that the doesn't code is get executed. So if the condition gets false and we want to execute some code, then if else statement is used. Here the if else statement is used to execute one block of code if condition is true and another block of code if condition is false. Then इस if else statement में हम if block में ऐसा कोड लिखेंगे जब कंडीशन ट्रू होगी तो वो एग्जीक्यूट होगा, और if कंडीशन फॉल्स होगी तो else ब्लॉक में हम वो कोड लिखेंगे जो भी फॉल्स कंडीशन पर एग्जीक्यूट होगा. Let's see with example. For that, within the same project, we'll create one class. if else class. So check the main method, and in this method we are going to write one variable, that is declaring variable, that is var is equals to hello semicolon save. Then we'll use the if else statement. For that I'm writing one if condition in the parentheses, opening and closing curly braces. Then now I'm checking that var dot, we have the equals method in Java. Here equals in double quotes hello. Now just understand the condition. I'm checking var, that is the value of var, it's hello, is equals to hello or not. Here you can see the condition is true because the variable of value is hello and this is the equal to this hello. Then we will print the value of variable is returning true, and then print the variable var. What happens if the value gets false? Then we have that else block. For that, if the value or condition gets false, then it will execute the else block, that is I'm printing the message for that returning false and value of that variable. Let's check with running the code. Right click on this class, then run as Java application. Here you can see it is returning true and the value, that is hello, because the condition get true. What happens if I change the case, that is smaller? Again I rerun it. Here you can see returning false and printing the value, cause here is checking the case sensitive criteria also. If we want to avoid the case sensitive, we have one method in Java, that is else ignore case. Okay, I'm using that and running that. Here you can see returning true and then hello, cause the case of the matching string it get ignored. So I hope you guys are understand the if statement and if else statement. In the next video we'll see our remaining statement, that is nested if else, ladder if else, and the remaining one in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.